Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your PowerPoint or Word file won't import into Goodnotes, it's usually because Goodnotes doesn't fully support these formats directly, but don't worry, there are reliable fixes. First thing, convert file to PDF first. So this is the most important fix. So for Word, for example, open file in Microsoft Word, tap file, save as or export and choose PDF. Okay, for PowerPoint, open in Microsoft PowerPoint, export as PDF. Now your file is Goodnotes compatible. Okay, now import the PDF into Goodnotes. Okay, so open Goodnotes, tap import. Okay, and after that, select the PDF file. File should open correctly. Okay, so now check file size. So large files may fail to import. Compress PDF if needed. Try splitting big presentations into parts. Use open in method to alternative import like open file in Files app. Tap share. Choose open in Goodnotes, and sometimes it works better than manual imports. You can check file integrity too, so make sure file is not corrupted. Okay, try opening it in Word or PowerPoint first. If it doesn't open there, it won't import. Okay, so updates Goodnotes. This is another fix. So open App Store or the store that you are using in your phone. Update the app. It fixes compatibility bugs. Okay, or restart the app. So close Goodnotes. Okay, and I'll reopen it. This clears temporary imports issues. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.